Hi guys, it's your boy Dan, and personally, I've always enjoyed the movie-going experience, whether it be going out with some friends to watch a movie on a big screen that just came out, going alone just to kind of peacefully lay about, watch a movie, all that stuff. I've always liked the environment. I've always liked the big screen. I've always liked the loud sounds, and most importantly, I've always liked the food. Besides the fact that it's criminally overpriced, most of the time, I've always enjoyed the old good bowl of popcorn, especially when I'm at a movie. So if you haven't guessed already, today we are going to be reviewing microwave popcorn. This seemed like a pretty clear choice for this show. It's all about, microwave food, things people cook in the microwave, me reviewing them, all that stuff. And what is a more classic example of people using the microwave than cook in the bag microwave popcorn? So I went to my local Dollar Tree and I picked up some Pop Weaver extra butter with 3 bags and some Pop Weaver kettle corn, 3 bags as well. So which one of these popcorns are going to reign supreme? Find out this episode on Microwave Masterpieces. Let's get on with the reviews. Alright guys, so we have the buttered popcorn now. I'm kind of excited to get into this, so let me take the glasses of sun off of my head so we can actually, see inside a dark house. Woo! So first, looking at it, have that nice buttery look to them. Texture is pretty nice, it seems. They make cool little shapes, which I like. You can kind of play the cloud game where you try to find out, oh, this one looks like an abomination. It kind of looks like a claw almost, with its 2 claws and a bomb claw. Ooh, this looks like a fat boot, definitely. So, in all seriousness, let's get into the taste test. Nice, light and airy. Definitely has that popcorn flavor. Nice, bit of saltiness, decent butter flavor. Ooh, alright, that was definitely way more buttery. Ooh, nice bit of butter, nice bit of salt, makes for a good combination. Yeah, an addicting flavor that you can just kind of pop in your mouth. I love the texture, where, you can either do the crunch method, or you can do the press onto the roof of your mouth until it dissolves. That's a good one. You can do the one where you're stupid and you Another thing that I must say is, looking near the bottom, there's a surprisingly small amount of unpopped kernels. But yeah, guys, we're gonna give this popcorn the ultimate test, and we are gonna watch a movie. And I'm gonna snuggle up. I'm gonna have some popped corns, and we're gonna see how good the movie-going experience is. Let's head over to the TV.
Once upon a time, there was a lovely princess. But she had an enchantment upon her of a fearful sort, which could only be broken by love's first kiss.
Yo, it's Funny Ogre Man. Yo. This is kind of epic, not gonna lie. Shrek. That's not gonna stop Shrek, you silly peasant. Oh no, he's gonna say it. Come on. You go to Lance, just say the goddamn line.
What are you doing in my
Why Shrek? Why? Wait, no, not Farquaad, no. Oh man, Shrek.
I believe in self-possession, destiny, and slight diversion. Now it seems
Damn, what a good movie. Alright guys, so after that epic movie with the epic popcorn, let's go on to our next popcorn. Alright guys, so we have the second popcorn. This is the kettle corn. Let's talk about the popcorn, or more accurately, the kettle corn. No buttery color to it at all. It's obviously, as everybody knows, kettle corn is a sweeter variety of popcorn. What does this taste like? Oh, it's like regular popcorn, but sweeter. Who knew? I'm expecting a bit of sweetness with this, and not as buttery, savory kind of flavors. Okay, there's a bit of salt there. Not much at all, though. A barely noticeable salt flavor. It has a hint of sweetness, but unfortunately, the aftertaste is pretty artificial tasting, unfortunately. The aftertaste kind of ruins it for me. And it's not sweet enough for me to want it. So now, just like last time with the popcorn, we are going to be watching an epic movie in the other room. Let's go over there right now. Let's go.
Hi, it's Fred! Today is Friday! Oh my god, say that fast, it sounds like Friday! Friday, full days of no school. Week in the week with a weekend, that means we're gonna have 5 full days off and only 2 days of school! Oh my god, I'm so excited! And then when there's a really important school, I think they might decide to do that this weekend!
Only 1 day of school? Damn, alright. I have this like sick feeling that I have to like make sure at least one person on Earth is thinking about Fred at any given time. It's so badly edited, oh my god. Just for a little context, I haven't watched this in like 9 years almost, I think, something like that. I watched it a little bit after it came out. Now as like an adult, it's like weird to see how much of a stalker and how creepy he is. Did you know this movie is actually free on YouTube? I actually had no idea. It's so bad. It's so horribly edited.
Here I come! I'm here! Oh my damn, I dug all the way!
That's actually a good joke.
Get away from me, spaceman! I will not let you ruin my brain!
This is my favorite scene coming up. Hell yeah.
Damn.
Hell yeah. What a horrible ending. Oh my god. So guys, after that epic movie, we're going to be getting into the final review. So guys, for the buttered popcorn, I'm going to be giving this a 7 out of 10. It definitely tasted like buttered popcorn, though I feel like it could definitely have had more salt. It could definitely have had more butter. I just feel could have had more substance there. So yeah, as far as regular popcorn goes, that's my review. Now on to the kettle corn. Already, I think that's only a 3, just regardless. Flavor wasn't very good as far as, you know, all this stuff. You need a lot more flavor than that. It had a bit of sweetness, nice bit of saltiness, but flavor profile-wise, I feel like it just wasn't there. So, which one of these do I recommend? I think it's pretty clearly the buttered popcorn one. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Please, if you're new, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification icon. Hit that like button if you enjoyed my content. Comment something down that you want me to try personally, and I will try to do it. Share this with your friends if you thought it was entertaining. Thank you very much. You have a great day now. Peace.